In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a front brake caliper on a Jeep Cherokee, which is located behind the front wheel. Raise and support the vehicle till the wheels are safely off the ground. You want to take these 5 lug nuts off. They're 19 millimeters. You have your brake hose that goes into the back of your caliper. You want to loosen that up first. Bottom nut is a 14. Make sure that's nice and loose. Take your 14 millimeter for here and there for your caliper bolts. Take those off. Take your caliper off. Spin the caliper, holding the hose until the caliper comes off the hose. After you remove your caliper, it's time to remove your caliper bracket. These are 2 E20 inverted Torx. I want to remove those. And remove your caliper bracket. You have your new caliper. You got your 2 14 millimeter bolts. You want to remove those from the bracket. You can take some high heat paste, put a little dab where the brackets are going to go. Take your brackets, install those, push down firmly, make sure they click in, they sit nice and flush. Now on these brackets, you're going to have tabs sticking outward. You do not want them sticking inward because it's going to hit the pad. Same thing on the other side. Install those. You want to remove your clips and your brake pads. Slide those out. Take your brake pad. You have your little tabs. You want to install those onto the brake pad like that. Slide these in. Go around the other side. Install your outer pad. Same thing with your clip. Make sure your clip is put on nice and straight and firm. Slide that into the bracket. After you slide your brake pads in, you install your clips. You want to remove these slides. Make sure you get plenty of grease in there and that boot isn't ripped. Make sure it moves freely. Both sides. One of these pins is going to have a rubber boot or a rubber O-ring. Do not spray anything on that O-ring. You can put grease on there, but no chemicals. Just make sure that that slides free. And now you're ready to put it on the vehicle. Take your brake bracket, slide it back over your knuckle. Install your 2 bolts. Give those a snug. Then you want to torque those down at 129 foot-pounds. Take your new caliper, you have a little plug. Remove that plug. That's where your line goes. Take your caliper, twist it onto the line. You want to twist that until it just gets tight, and now install it onto your caliper bracket. Put your 2 bolts on. Those are snug. Then you want to tighten those down at 32 foot-pounds. Now you want to tighten your hose. It's nice and tight. Now install your rubber mount for your brake hose into your strut. After your hose is installed, you can pop off this little bleeder cap. Just a rubber plug. Open your bleeder. This is an 11 millimeter. Sometimes this might take a few minutes, but you want a gravity bleed. Now tighten up your bleeder. After you tighten your bleeder, take your little cap, pop it back on. Pop that cap off your master cylinder. Fill your master cylinder. Put your cap back on. After you top off your fluid at your master cylinder, you want to hop in the driver's seat, pump that brake up. If the brake pedal feels spongy, you're going to have to do a full hydraulic brake bleed. Take your wheel, line up your lug holes, put these in by hand so you don't cross thread. Snug them up. Now that we have our wheels back on the ground, you're going to torque these lug nuts at 100 foot-pounds in a crisscross pattern. After you raised your hood, here's your engine compartment. In front of your battery is going to be your master cylinder. You want to pop that cap off, put it off to the side, and you want to draw some of the old brake fluid out of that master cylinder reservoir. After removing old fluid, you want to fill your reservoir with clean fluid. Keep in mind you're going to have somebody sit in the vehicle, pump the brake up while you're doing this bleeding procedure. And you're starting at the left rear wheel. Come to your bleeder, take your cap off, have your friend pump the brake up at least 4 or 5 times. As he's holding, you want to open up your bleeder. This is an 11 millimeter bleeder screw. As soon as his foot hits the floor, he's going to say floor. You tighten up your bleeder. And you want to repeat this process until all the air is out of this caliper. Tighten up your bleeder. Put your cover back on. Now you're going to repeat this at the right front wheel. Remove your bleeder. Have your friend pump it up. Tighten your brake bleeder. Have your friend pump it up again. He's holding. Open up your brake bleeder. And one more time. Tighten up your bleeder. Pop your cap back on. Now you want to check your reservoir and top that off with fluid. Fill your master cylinder. After you top off your fluid at your master cylinder, you want to continue over to the right rear wheel, bleed that caliper, and then finish coming to the left front wheel, bleeding that caliper. Now after you bleed your left front wheel, top off your fluid. Put your cap back on. Make sure your surface is clean. Make sure that there's no leaks. Put your wheels on, torque your lug nuts at 100 foot-pounds, take it for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.